Hi everyone, today I am treating you to 4 DIYs in one video. I've done this in a super cute miniature theme and it's for Easter and spring, but of course you can change this up to anything you like. Okay, so we're going to start with our mini terrarium. So you're going to need a container like this. You can just recycle anything you have, and then you're going to need some stones. So I am using these, they are from IKEA. So take your stones and pop them inside. Now because we're not going to be using any real plants in this, you're not going to need soil, so we're going to go straight in with the moss. Really easy and simple, just place that inside and then add a few more bits in. Once we've done that, you can take your figurine. So I'm using a rabbit here. I'll leave a link for you in the description box. These are so affordable and they're super cute for DIYs like this. Next, I'm taking these artificial flowers and I'm just going to cut them using my pliers. Again, I can leave a link for you in the description box. So I put 3 flowers in and I really love the contrasting colours here. Just look at how they pop. And then this is optional. Sometimes when you get these terrariums, you get them with these hangers so you can hang them. But of course you can just leave it as it is. That's the first DIY completed. Let's move on to the second. And for the second DIY I am recycling. This was part of a diffuser. So this is going to be my base. And then I've got this plastic egg that was from Poundland. I'm going to start with some decoupage. I got this beautiful spring butterfly napkin from Morrison's. So what you have to do is just remove the inner layer here so that you've got the one layer. Then you want to gently rip around the butterflies, and I tend to do this just like this with my 2 fingers, being ever so gentle to make sure I don't rip any of the butterfly itself. Then you're going to take your Mod Podge. I am going to be using glass Mod Podge for this project. Then you're going to add just a touch of glue, making sure there's not too much so that it doesn't rip the tissue paper. And then you're going to add your little butterfly bits. Gently press them down, and then you're going to go over that with some more Mod Podge. Now to cover this hole up here, I'm going to take this little bow with a little pearl embellishment and stick that on using some hot glue. For the last bit of detail on the egg, I'm going to take this twine string and we're going to hot glue it here and tie a knot at the front. Now that we're done with the egg, we're going to set that aside and start working on the base. And to do that, I'm going to start with some moss, just so we can cover this whole wooden part. And then you want to start taking your artificial flowers and cutting them and sticking them down with, you got it, hot glue. Okay, so that's the second DIY done. Let's move on to the third. The third DIY is really quick and easy. You're going to need some pebbles and then you're going to need some rabbits. Again, I will leave these in the description box for you. I did have these at hand, but you can also make your own out of polymer clay, for example. And the first thing we're going to do is stick these down. Then you're going to take some of this Easter moss and then again we're going to stick that down. Then I'm going to make use of this thrifted wreath with lavender on, so I'm going to take bits off using my pliers. And then once I've done that, I'm just going to stick them down with some hot glue onto the pebbles. So that's the third DIY done. Let's move on to the fourth and final one. For the fourth one, I'm using this old wooden hoop and I'm going to cover it up with some twine. The look at this one here. I'm threading this through and she's just been watching me the whole time. She really wants the string. Great, look at this, I've got it all jumbled up. Ugh. Once you've done that, we're going to start sticking some moss down. Now we've got the base done, we're going to start decorating the wreath, and I'm starting with this, so I'm just clipping little bits of this off with my scissors, and I'm not too sure what else I'm going to add, we'll have to just see. So I'm going to use these two. I've got this rabbit wooden embellishment pack from Hobbycraft and this butterfly that I'm going to stick on. And here's all 4 completed projects. It's always harder doing more than one DIY in a video, so I hope that you can leave me a big thumbs up, make sure you subscribe, share this video with others, and definitely let me know which one of these were your favourites in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching, I truly appreciate it. Take care of yourselves and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.